video guys, another unboxing time. So, nag-order naman tayo ngayon guys ng book holder. Yeah. Para pag magbabasa tayo guys, ipapatong na lang po natin yung aklat dito po sa holder na binili ko. Let's open it! Ang SRP niya guys is 138. Kasama na po doon yung shipping fee guys. Ayan, nakabubble wrap siya guys, as you can see. At saka mabilis lang din po siya dumating. Within 2 days. Dumating na siya guys. Tan! Tingnan natin siya. Ayan po. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Natin siya guys. Lalagay natin dito yung aklat na ating babasahin. As you can see. Like this. O, diba? Pwede na siya guys. Magbabasa diba? So, if you like my video guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog guys. God bless you all.